Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add mobile phone number on Target account. So first we're going to go to our Target app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then you're going to click on Profile. Then there's the mobile number section. You're going to click on Add. So since this is a US mobile phone number, you're going to insert your US mobile phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Verify. So they're going to send a verification code via your mobile phone number. You're going to insert that. So then your mobile phone number will be added. So that's how you do it. It's a simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.